Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to slick your hair, or rather how I slick my hair. So if you find this video helpful, please like, comment on the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, with any further ado, let's get into it. So what I first start doing, I start by unraveling my hair. As I said on my previous videos, before I sleep at night, I actually do mini twists or flat twists. So yeah, and then I go in with my water just so that my hair can be workable whenever I start styling my hair. Up next, I'll be going in with my moisturizer. This is a root stimulator and it's olive oil. It is very essential to moisturize your hair before you do any kind of style that you'll be doing. Either you're applying some gel on or doing mini twist or anything. Make sure that you always moisturize your hair. It's a very important stage. And then yeah, I'll just work in that moisturizer into my hair, and as I work it in, I also detangle my hair with my hand. And then I'll be going in with my NELLY nature oil. This is also an important process to go through. Oil is very essential for your hair. Get a good oil for your hair, or that is doable for your hair, or that is a preference of yours. So mine is NELLY nature all the way. This is a hair and scalp oil. If you'd like to purchase this oil, I'll leave an email address down below on the description box. And then I'll go in with my tooth comb. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, my wild tooth comb. Yeah, and just comb my way into my hair. And then up next, I'll just open a line at the back of my hair. Yeah, so I like to just section my hair actually whenever I work with gel, because it works for me. Yeah, because I have like thick hair, so it's easier for me to section my hair and then apply the gel, and then try to work my hair in by brushing it or combing it. You'll see what So today's gel that I'm using, it's Flex by Revlon. It's an extreme hold gel, stage 4. Yeah, it's good. I love it, and it's a clear gel, so you can never go wrong with clear gel, right? While I keep on working on my gel on my hair, I also go in with a comb to just work my way up to the high dimension that I want to go, so that I can tie my hair, or rather do a high puff. Yeah, and then I go in with my brush as well. Any brush that you have that works for you, it's good, but this brush does wonders to my hair. I love it. And then I'll be using my ribbon to tie my hair. You can actually use anything, an elastic if you have, rubber. Okay, I'm using my rubber band, sorry for that. Yeah, anything that works for you. Yeah, I'll be adding more gel on my hair just to make sure that my hair does not flake and that it's slick down, so that it can last me at least a maximum of a week or so. Yeah, it depends on how long you want to keep the style on, or rather how yeah, let me just leave it right there, not complicate anything. Now I'll just continue to apply my gel on to just make sure that everything is in place and it's flat. Yeah, and then while I do that as well, I also stretch my hair at the back and comb it a bit just to give it a bit of volume, or rather that puff effect. And then I'm gonna be using my small toothbrush. Yeah, I bought this toothbrush specifically for this kind of job so that I can lay my edges. Yeah, I guess you can lay your edges however way that you prefer to do them. I prefer to lay my edges this way. Yeah, comment on the comment section below and tell me how you lay your edges, or rather if you want me to do a specific tutorial on how I lay my edges, or rather how to lay your edges. What I like to do with that bit of a piece of hair, I actually like twisting it. I'll just apply gel and then twist it, keep on twisting it, then boom, that's a mini twist over there. It's actually like coiling your hair. So I comb my hair on my sides. I don't actually lay my edges on my side, on that specific part of my hair. Yeah, what I do on this side, I'll do on the other side. Up next, I'll be going in with my satin just to flatten, or rather lay it on top of my edges. Yeah, so that my edges can just be down there. You know what I mean, if ever you're a person that lays edges with gel, most especially. And then I'll be going in with my scarf as well, just to wrap my head and then wait for it to dry, probably for 30 minutes. Yeah, make sure that you wait for it to dry off, guys. This process is also important whenever you want your hair to be slick, or rather to have that slickish effect. It's after 30 minutes now, so let's see the final results. This is the final look, my beautiful people. I hope you like it. If you found this video helpful, as I said in the intro, please like, comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.